Our group name is Bad Wolf. So there's a reason why I'm choosing name is our group name is Bad Wolf. Because our best actor is Bad Wolf. And he is really good actor. Okay? Yeah. Okay. Now I'm going to introduce our next person. Okay. Here's our red cat. Then this is our narrator. Okay, special. I mean, a little weird, but cool. This is our model, really young model.
Who's the what?
This is younger grandmother.
The wolf?
Okay.
Wolf. Have too long thing.
Yeah. So I'm just the leader of the group. I'm not doing any emotion or actor. I'm just staying back and inspire them on acting. Okay, thank you everyone.
Ladies and gentlemen, the little red cat shall begin. Once upon a time, there was a little girl who wore a little red velvet cap that her grandmother had given her. She wore it all the time, so everyone called her the little red cat. One morning, her mother called her. Mother?
Yep, the red cap is your grandmother is the age of 6 feet,
The grandmother lived in the forest, a half a league from the village. As the little red cat entered the forest, a wolf appeared. Okay. So, good day, Mr. Brad. Where you going? Oh, sir. And what's in your little girl? And this grandmother. So, here the wolf is cleaning up himself nice. This little red cat is nice, and the wolf is greedy, and he wants to eat more the grandmother and little girl. So, whereby the time the wolf walked with her for a bit, and then say, listen to the bird song and the flower, very beautiful. You walk and it's going to cool, well, Mr. Wind. Little red cat looked around and thought, she then ran from above, yes sir. Meanwhile, the wolf went straight to grandmother's house and knocked on her door. Oh, I'm a little red cat. She has cake and wine. Should that tiger beer? Do we fight? Open the door, please. The wolf opened the door, went inside and devoured the grandmother. Then she dressed in her cap and climbed into her bed. Meanwhile, the little red cat finally finished picking her flowers and soon arrived at her grandmother's door. The door was wide open, so you don't need to knock. And she was suspicious. She went inside and called.
Good morning, grandmother.
The wolf had the grandmother's cat pulled far down over his leg. But in his cat, he doesn't have a cat. Go ahead, walk. 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 Go ahead. Go. Huh? lay back down on the bed. Fell asleep and began snoring loudly. Uncle was passing by.
Oh, she's very today. I want everyone to do anything for her.
So he went into the house and found the wolf asleep in grandmother's bed.
And that's about you, the weak wolf.
But before he fired his rifle, it occurred to him that the wolf may have eaten the grandmother. So instead, he picked up some scissors and began to cut open the wolf's stomach.
This was dark and that red wolf.
And then the grandmother, the little red cat ran and gathered some stones. They filled the wolf's belly with the stone and then slew him back up. Then he will walk and try to run away. He collapsed and fell dead.
Run away.
And then he collapsed. And
Take up the bed.
you skin the wolf, you take the skin of the wolf out. You take it as a gesture. Your grandmother ate the cake. Eat the cake. Ate the cake. Ate some cake, whatever. Ate the cake and drank the wine and felt much better. But little red cat was angry with herself.
I shall never leave the past if my mother forbidden it. Sorry, Grandmama.
So you just listen to your mom and your grandmother. The end. Thank you, everyone.
Yeah.